classic, Hogan's Heroes with old Colonel Robert Hogan, Bob Crane, Colonel Klink, Werner Klemper, and old Hans Schultz, Sergeant of the Guard, starring John Banner. It's a classic. Still watching this day, it's still a funny show, quite funny. It's amazing how they can get humor like that out of certain things in history and make it actually interesting, that's for sure.
Start, Bill. We are doing the 4 Oh, yeah, it's way too old.
Oh, that was a Bobby Fuller Ford. I fought the wall. All right, I need vehicle number 85 and vehicle number 39 to come on down. We still got door prizes to go. Vehicle number 85, vehicle number 39. Also, don't forget. Okay, we're getting ready to draw for the 50-50 right now, folks.
I mean, I'm a tanker, and you're also not an RV.
Don't forget.
Just let's do the deal, and you can drive in and get up
here. So if you have any